Good morning, guys. Okay, today is a bank holiday Monday and I've decided to do something with the Range Rover. What am I actually doing? What I'm trying to do is to replace the stock climate control so you can see, never done this before, but looks very easy to do, to be honest. And replace it with, the new one, which is here. Okay, so I'm going to take this off now, and that is what I'm replacing it with. So I'm going to get it out. Excuse me. Got one hand on the phone and one hand to actually unbox this. Well, it's out of the pack now, so it's good. This is what it looks like, and that against that, it's going to look absolutely lovely. So I'm going to take it out of the wrap so you can see it better. Okay, so this is what it looks like. To be honest, I've never done anything that's got to do with DIY. I'm absolutely useless with it, and always impatient. I'm very impatient. So yeah, I'll be replacing it just in a few moments, and when I'm done, I'll do another video to let you know how I got on. For people asking how to change the Range Rover Sport climate control, it's not too bad. All you just need to do is obviously watch quite a few videos on this, and I had to kind of give myself the courage to come and do it, because I don't want to mess about with this car. As you can see, there's been a kid in the car, so that's got to be cleaned soon. And a lovely little screen there, and that one as well. By the way, this is a supercharged one, so 5 liters V8, and it's cranking out about 510 brake horsepower and about, I think, 700 Newton meter of torque. So I think it's 0 to 60 is about 5.5 seconds. I don't know, but it will be tuned soon. So yeah, definitely will be tuned. So all you need to do is just take some things off there, and yeah, boom, you'd be able to access the silver strip that's got to come off it. Once that's come off it, and there's a little bit of screws there, so that's come off. That comes up first, the screws next. Then you take the climate control at the back off. Then you will be able to actually access these strips, these ones, the silver ones. Just all you need to do is put your finger a little bit there. Once you have a little bit of space, just pull it up, and that's it. So we'll be back in another video, and hopefully that would have been done by that time. So yeah, thank you very much, guys.